Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about sonnets, and I have Braden here giving me a hand. The word sonnets comes from the Italian word sonetto, which means little song. It's a very specific type of poetry, so we're going to take a look at what that means. Thank you, Braden. So we have two major forms of sonnets, and as you can hear, it's almost appropriate sonnet weather outside since it's raining. So if you hear that, it's just a lovely rainy day here. So the two major forms are the Italian, which is also called the Petrarchan after Francesco Petrarch. So when we see words that kind of sound Italian, it's because the sonnet has those Italian roots. And then the other type of sonnet is the English, also called the Shakespearean for William Shakespeare, and the Elizabethan for Queen Elizabeth I. Shakespeare because he perfected the form, or let me rephrase that. He did the form a lot, and many people think he perfected it. And Elizabethan for Queen Elizabeth because she was ruling England at the time. So as you're looking at sonnets, there's a couple things you should look for. The first thing is if you're reading a poem and you happen to see that it's 14 lines, you should probably say, I wonder if this is sonnet, and start looking for those conventions. But that 14 lines is not a hard and fast rule because we see other playwrights like Percy Shelley or even Walt Whitman who have written poems that have those major features of a sonnet but are not necessarily 14 lines. So what really makes a sonnet is that it starts off with a problem, a proposition, or a question, and then after that's done, then there's a switch to a turn, which is also called a volta. It kind of depends on whether you're reading in English or Petrarchan. And then always you have some sort of solution or resolution in the end. Overall, if you have these three things, you have a sonnet in fact. So, thanks very much for watching this intro video. The other videos are kind of nerdy and very specific. So if you want to learn all kinds of things about sonnets, check out those other videos, but this is nuts and bolts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.